Good morning, you guys. Alex here from Bulls and Bears, or Focused Alex from YouTube. And again, we are watching Tesla yet again. It's actually forming a really nice pattern, but I am concerned about the S&P. It's coming down pretty aggressively, actually. So I'm going to be watching that. And I'm also going to be watching Tesla for the break above right around 287.50, around there. Or maybe even lower, like around 287.20. But I'm going to be watching S&P, looking for a little pullback, and then I'll be looking to buy some options actually. So yeah, I'm going to pause it there just so I won't make it as long as the video before. And if the opportunity comes, well, I'm going to jump in. Alright, you guys, so I just jumped in right now around, well, my option is at, let's see, where did I get my option fill? Alright, so I got it at 390, so I'm not going to be showing the actual option chart, but I'm going to be showing the Tesla chart. So if the Tesla does break right here, obviously the price is going to go up, as you can see right here. And I'm going to be looking for Tesla to make a higher high like it is right now. And I'm going to be taking profits at around $50. So yeah, we're actually going there right now. Oh, wrong chart. And yeah, wait, hold on, what's going on? Yes, so this is actually the chart that I'm talking about, the Tesla option chart. So I'm going to be looking to get around 55. I'm actually going to create an order right now just to exit around 55. Sell one contract. So yeah, now we wait. Shouldn't take too long though. I don't think it's gonna wait, are you sure? I was about to set the wrong order, you guys. So yeah, I'm gonna be looking to get out at 455 for a $50 profit, I think. Somewhere around, as you can see right here, if you're not paying attention, my total P&L or my open P&L is right here. But this is obviously changing as the price is moving. So it's not in my realized P&L. My realized P&L will be when I exit the trade, which will hopefully be shortly right now. I'm gonna bring this down a little bit for you guys. Yeah, so the S&P is bouncing a little, but it is coming back down, which I'm not liking as much. As you can see, I'm gonna bring the chart real quick just to show you guys. That's the S&P 500, which is the general market, if you guys aren't aware. And it is, I mean, it tries to come back up, but it's pretty much failing to do that right now. So, and then we go back to, oh, hold on, let's see if I don't lose that. And yeah, I'll just keep it on this side over here. Let's go back to the actual Tesla. So the actual Tesla chart right here, yep, pretty bad. It broke out, but did not last at all. I might even be actually looking to get out with a very minimal loss. I mean, not minimal, actually, it's probably gonna be like a $35 to $40 loss, which is what I was kind of aiming for. But let's just wait and see, you guys, because Tesla's actually, it's actually pretty strong considering, or at least relative to the market, because the market is, it kind of came down pretty hard. Let me show you guys real quick. So you see the market pretty much tanked right here. It was just a pretty aggressive candle. And if you look back at Tesla, not that bad, but of course it's coming at a pretty important area right here that I'm not liking at all. So I'm going to pause you guys, and I may be Or actually, this may even be a good time to add right here, because let me just show you guys why. Now I'm not afraid to risk more, but that means that I'm going to have to aim for more. So the S&P, I just marked down a quick little area right here that could be a form of support, and obviously we did bounce from it right here. So hopefully it does bounce and it comes right back up, but it's a far stretch. It's actually a far stretch right here. Looking back at Tesla, let's look back at it. Yeah, Tesla is bouncing from a really good area right here as well. So I may even be looking to add, or oh, come on. Yeah, the question now is, should I add or should I just wait? Because it may be a little risky right now. Let's see, where are we at? 385. Alright, I'm gonna add her here, you guys. No problem. No problem. I really do think this thing could break right here. Yeah, so this is the area that I'm watching right, just to draw it out for you guys out there that aren't really technical analysts or whatever. That's the area that I'm looking at, but really the main area is just a little under, probably like run. That's pretty much the real area right there. So if we can get above that, I think we're solid and we're at a really good area right here. So I'm gonna pause for you guys and see what happens right now. Alright guys, so it looks like we're about to break right now. We actually did break a little, but it's actually failing, which is disappointing. Alright, I'm gonna pause you more, you guys. Alright, quick little update, you guys. We're actually seeing some pretty nice progress right here. As the market comes down, Tesla is trying to go up, and it looks like we're about to break right now. Let's just hope that it's the break that we're looking for and not some failure like we're watching. Jesus Christ. If you can't hear it in my voice, it's just pretty disappointing right now just watching this thing break and then roll back down. And that's the third time actually. You can see the first time's right here. Second time. The third time it actually broke pretty strongly, but it just came right back down. And then yet again right now. So it's proving to be an actually strong area right here. That's pretty resistant, I guess. All right, let's just see what the next few minutes have to offer us. All right, you guys, at this point I feel pretty confident that this thing is gonna break, and when it does break, it's gonna break pretty nicely, because it's not always the case that the price stagnates in an area like this. It's usually, I mean, at this point a stock would have usually just came right back down if it was weak, but as you can see, this Tesla is actually pretty strong compared to the market. As you can see, the market is just, this is a chart of the S&P, and it's pretty much making big moves and in a certain direction. It's not really stagnating like Tesla right now, which is it could be a bad thing, but it also could be a good thing if you're in the right side. And right now we are going long, so we're hoping that the price goes up, and it's actually holding up pretty nicely. Now what I don't want to see, just to let you guys know, like kind of where I'm looking to get out at is, all right, let's go. If we look at the S&P, remember this area right here, you guys. My exit point is going to be at as soon as the price comes under this right here. Once it comes under this, I'm gonna be looking to get out of my Tesla trade, because yeah, we're breaking out right now as I speak. Beautiful. So I'm gonna be getting my order ready just to get out when the time comes. And yet again, it's kind of failing, you guys. So that's just something you don't want to see. Obviously, it's okay since it's stagnating, but I mean, look at this, you guys. We got the break yet again, and it's getting rejected. Jesus, I might even get out right here. Let's just look at the S&P because I don't have it up on my other screen here. Yeah, so it looks like the S&P is coming to that area that we don't like, and yep, we are crashing, you guys. We are crashing. Now this might be just a, I'm gonna wait for this move to cool off, because really when you see these big candles right here, sometimes they're just random spikes like this, and they don't really I mean, obviously they do present a massive direction change, but let's just wait this out and see what happens right here, because it could just be a false move. Yeah, so this area just became a really important area right here. Pretty much the area that I'm going to be looking to get out if it comes over here. So we did get the S&P break from that blue line, which I said I was going to get out. But yet again, you have to look at the actual stock that you're trading at as well. And it bounced pretty much of the moving average, the 50 moving average, which is this red line right here. Yeah, so I'm going to be looking to get out right now if the price does come back down with a pretty decent loss. Actually, it'll probably be around $90. So yeah, so my eyes are very sharply on the S&P right now, just watching to make sure. Alright, I'm gonna pause for you guys real quick. Alright, so surprise, surprise, you guys. Looks like the price has came back around this area, but it's also getting rejected yet again. So it looks like I'm gonna be waiting quite a while for this actually to actually break out and make some progress. But what really catches my attention is looking at the S&P. Very laggy, but here, let me just show you this chart. So that's what I'm looking at right now. It looks like we're forming a pattern on the downside, but if we manage to break this right here, like if it breaks up and we break out of this area right here, remember this line? If we break out of this line and this line, first of all we need to break this line, and then if we manage to break this one, well, we'll be sitting at a very good position right now. Because I'm assuming that as soon as we break that area right there, which we're moving closely to, I'm assuming that Tesla will also make a move above the area that we had marked down initially. Yeah, I have no idea why it's lagging so much, but yeah, pretty much this area right here. So I'm gonna pause for a while, see where we go from now, and hope for the best. Alright, so just to show you guys my thesis now, we did break this line right here pretty strongly actually, so that just brings my confidence levels way higher. And if we take a look at Tesla, well, guess what, you guys? Hold on. And I mean, as of right now, my screen is lagging, but obviously I'm up $10 and I was down about $100 not long ago. So yeah, let's check out Tesla, see where it's at right now. Hopefully yet again we got the break, but it's not very strong enough. So I'm gonna keep holding right now just to see what Tesla has to offer us in the next few minutes, because I mean I've been sitting here for about, I don't know, 30 to 40 minutes. I mean, to you guys it's only been 15 minutes, but to me it's been longer. So yeah, it's not the best trade. As of right now, I'd probably rate it about 7 out of 10, I guess. And if it's a loser, I'll rate it at probably a 5. But I'm gonna pause and see where we go from now. It is happening, you guys. The break is finally done. Let's see, I'm gonna, oh my god, of course. I'm getting frustrated, you guys. I mean, how could I not get frustrated from that right there? Whatever, I guess I'm gonna pause and enjoy my burrito that I just made right now. Alright, you guys. So I know I said that I wasn't really liking the fact that this stock just kept going sideways. But in fact, I'm actually liking it even more. It's just forming a really nice uptrend right now. And actually a good pattern, in fact. But, well, sadly, the S&P is actually downtrending. Now, we might actually start uptrending pretty soon, but we're kind of a long ways from before that could happen. So yeah, hopefully Tesla does not break below this line right here, because that'll be really, really bad news. And that's probably gonna be my actual exiting point below this right here. And now that could change, obviously, but as of right now, that's where my plan is. Cause yeah, we do not want to see Tesla start making lower lows, or whatever you want to call them. But as of right now, it's up trading. As you can see, we have a higher low, higher low, higher low, and well, let's just see what happens right now. But what we're not seeing is higher highs. You can see that these highs are pretty much just going sideways right here, which we don't want to see. I mean, it would be ideal for a breakout, which I'm anticipating right now. So yeah, that's where I'm sitting at right now. I'm hoping that we get the break from this move right here, because the S&P is also kind of forming some type of similar pattern like this. Hopefully we don't get rejected again though. We're back at the area, don't get me wrong, but it's just not strong enough to break, I guess. Could this be it? It's still unclear, but let's just wait and find out. Come on, man. I mean, if we can make higher highs, which would be around this area, that would be very, very nice and attractive. Yeah, so as of right now, we're actually holding up pretty nicely. We have to wait and see where this red candle stops though. Alright guys, so we're actually getting a pretty good move right now. But let's just see if it can hold up here. Obviously it's not even holding. Well, that's disappointing. That's really disappointing. Wow. Incredible sell-off. Yup, that is an incredible sell-off right there. I mean, I'm glad I caught that in camera, because that just comes to show that not every setup is perfect. And I mean, I was up like $80 at some point, which would have been perfect for me to exit, but I mean, I was not expecting this to happen, obviously. So that just comes to show you guys that no setup is perfect, and I guess be quicker. I could have exited out just right there, but I was really aiming for $100. So yeah, now I'm just a little disappointed. Not really, but I mean, we're pretty much at break even right now, so it's not that bad. And the S&P looks like it's gonna come down right now. Still unsure, but yeah. where the video is up 20 minutes, which isn't very nice for you guys. So I'm gonna pause and try to save you guys time. Alright guys, I'm gonna start looking at Tesla from the 5-minute chart just because it looks more simplistic, and I'm actually gonna move this line up above right here. Or where? Right here. Yeah, right here looks more realistic. Looking at it from the 5-minute chart, so that's always a good thing to do. Just look at your charts from different time frames, and it'll always tell you it'll always show you a better picture of what's actually going on. For example, looking at the daily chart, looks like we are coming up from another. It's obviously hella complicated for you guys, I'm pretty sure, so I'm not even gonna try describing that in this video at least. So yeah, if we look at the 1 minute, this line still has some very good points, so it's not really confined to the 5-minute, but it's still ideal to look at it from the 5-minute chart. Just looks more simpler and easier to digest, I guess. So yeah, the new area is, let's see, where are we at? 387.50. If we get up above that area, we're gonna be in a pretty nice place. I think the 1 minute would be better for you guys though. Alright guys, I think it's time right now. We're actually getting pretty damn close to the breakout point. And we're breaking, you guys. This might actually be the real one. Let's see, what's the last price? 340. 350. 4.50. I think I'm going to be getting out at 4.50. I'm going to place the order at 4.50. Let's see if we can get filled. Alright, so if you guys want to see the options chart, it's right here. So we actually did reach, but I was a little too late, so. But I mean, I think if things go good, I mean, if this is a real breakout, we are going to be getting out with a good profit. If it's a true breakout, of course. But as of right now, we're up $105. Not too shabby. Come on, Tesla. Come on, Tesla. Just do it. Just do it. I mean, in actuality, I could just get it right out the $100 gain, but that's not what I'm aiming for. And could that be it? Could that be it? Let's see. The S&P is pushing up pretty strongly, so I'm let's see if Tesla could do the same. Come on, Tesla, just a few cents more. Okay, what happened? What just happened? Alright, so what you're looking at right here is, well, this is the actual option. So my position is right here, 3.88, and I'm going to be looking to get out at 4.50. And the price is at 4.38 right now. But of course, before that could happen, the S&P, the Tesla stock needs to also move higher. So yeah, I'm gonna be patient and just wait it out a little bit, see what happens. What is going on? All right, I'm gonna pause for you guys. Or actually, could this be it? I don't want to pause just so you guys won't miss it, but I kind of have to because I'm sitting at 26 minutes, which is quite a bit. And we're popping. Come on, Tesla, come on, do it. There you go, you guys. Beautiful play. Beautiful play. All right. So, all right. Yep. I'm gonna pause it. I'm gonna calculate how much we actually made from that trade. So, all right, you guys. I'm tired. Long wait right there. But these are the results. $124 with 76 cents. And as you can see here, Tesla P&L. I wasn't trading the stock, I was trading the option. $124. And if you guys are still unsure, September 27th to September 27th. So this is just from today, $124 Tesla. And yeah, that trade right there required a lot of patience on my part. Obviously I wasn't expecting that, but I'm prepared for it. I currently am not working, so I obviously could dedicate a lot of time to this, which is fine with me. I know I complain a little, but I mean, could I really complain? There isn't really much to complain about, considering that you're just sitting down. Now, initially, I wasn't expected to make this much. I was anticipating just a $50 profit, but since I did, well, let me pause and let me just show you guys the chart. All right, so we're looking at Tesla again. But yeah, like I was saying, initially I just went in with one share. I don't even know if it'll say here, but yeah, initially I was just in with one option, one contract, and that's when I was aiming to make $50, and I was risking $50 as well. But when I added again, I think it was in this big red candle right here, I had two contracts. So then I even said that I'm going to be risking more in this case. And in that case, I went from aiming for $50 profit to aiming for $100 and risking $100 as well. So I kind of knew that. So yeah, that was pretty much the game plan. Obviously, it didn't turn out the best, but it was still not that bad. It was a good trade, which required a lot of patience, but that's fine. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed, and please leave a like, comment if you guys have any questions, whatever the case may be. Take care, you guys. Have a wonderful day, and yeah, stay positive.